Itong kinaiyahan
Correct.
ay siya mismo nakapuyo sa kilid sa dagat.
Sa dagat.
O lisod po siguro partner no kung magpuyo taan na kay kunay mga kalamidad.
Mugani.
Dali lang mag-devastate or ano.
Maduol ta sa mga kuan kanang
Komentaryo ko atong gibuhat ron partner. Okay. At this point, tawagon na nato ang pinakauwahi pero di magpauwahi. Okay? Grabe partner. Paindayog jud ka sa ilang gifts sa atubangan. Murag ikaw mismo partner. Usa may tinuod.
Kung kaganina, please kay nap. Kung kaganina kay gamay hawak karon siya.
Okay. Candidate number 13 is Miss Christine Reyes. Ang pangutana. No, odtik no. Okay. Para sa imo, unsa ang pinakatumong ngano atong gipahigayon kining kompetisyon nga Super Serena 2014? Para sa imo, unsa ang pinakatumong ngano atong gipahigayon kining kompetisyon nga Super Serena 2014?
Okay. First and foremost, I would like to extend my warmest gratitude to the organizers, staff, crew of the Super Serena 2014 in behalf of Talomo Barangay Council. Two thumbs up, Sir, Mom, for this grandiose and spectacular event. Back to the question, what is the bottom line or the main reason why we are celebrating Super Serena? It is not just simply about the crown, about the sash, or the cash prize that we will win this evening, but rather it is all about public acceptance for being who we are and what we are as a gay, as a Serena, as a homosexual to the community, and for this Barangay Talomo. First, what is the real function of the Serena to the community? To make people happy, to make people satisfied, and to make the world much more colorful. Because always remember, we gays are not just assets, or should I say, we are not liabilities, but we are assets. We are not just born, we are made to make this community a progressive one, a globally competitive. Ika nga nila, ang pagiging bakla ay kailan may hindi naging masama sa mata ng Diyos, sa mata ng tao, sa mata ng madla. Bagkos, wala kang ginagawa na ikasasama ng iyong kapwa. Magandang gabi.
Very well said! Christine Reyes, thank you so much!
While hearing her answer partner, murag ako pud mismo